And that's amore. Kids gone for the summer. We have snuggled in every room in the house.
Thank you, Camp Krusty.
Chief Wiggum, can a man enjoy the company of his wife in his own son's treehouse?
But you didn't see the sign?
Our home and our kids are fine.
Hail to thee, Camp Krusty.
I have lemon lime disease.
The basketball teams were skin versus bones.
Do you know what kids get after a scary experience?
Ice cream.
No, counseling.
Oh.
Now, kids, how bad could it have really been?
Hey, Doc, I'm fine. But other kids in my generation, I love them, but they're total wusses.
Need to decompress, so it is essential you do not go right back to school.
No school. No school? On second thought, I'm fine.
Ooh, definitely no school for you.
Or church. Take me some PTSD. And maybe bloodshot eyes.
The kids seem upset.
Oh, they'll be fine. Marge, children in summer are natural enemies. Now.
Can't sleep.
I'm sorry, homie. Bart's 10. That could be the last tear that ever comes out of him. He's sleeping here.
Not hungry.
Where are you looking?
1,000 yards away.
No school for you, young man. I'll set up the couch as a bed.
Can I put Homer's pillows under my butt? Mom, can I have a jelly bean sandwich for lunch?
How about a fruit salad?
Fruit?
What's the matter?
That's what they served at camp.
Marge, voulez-vous rendezvous at the dog's bed?
I can't move. His head's on my arm.
Can you give me a foot rub? Jeez, there's a lot of spaces when you get in early. Jeez, there's a lot of donuts when you get in early. Hot coffee?
It makes me want to buckle down and do my job. You know, vice president of marketing. Hey, if you need me, I'll be cold calling people to see what they think of electricity.
Wow. Wow. Simpson, something is very different about you.
I am sexually frustrated.
Tell me about it.
Oh my God, I really am traumatized. I need help. An actual nightmare about Camp Krusty. There was a body in a red life vest.
What else do you remember?
We were canoeing. We were in a storm.
Press the memory. But don't tell, because they'll make me miss school.
Maybe you should miss school.
I have perfect attendance.
Ate your breakfast. I also made reservations for Mother's Day. I know it's 3 months away, but you can't book too early.
Wow.
Mwah!
Excellent. Simpson, I'm giving you a raise.
Excuse me, coming through. Working out issues. Boom shakalaka.
I was at Camp Krusty too. You don't see me freaking out every time I see red vest, red vest. But you're whining I'm riding the ride. While you were pouting, I did it again.
We're alone.
Marge, no! I've pledged my abstinence, like all the most successful rock stars. Honey, I'm really sorry, but I'm here for you every way, except physically, also spiritually, and emotionally. Name a company Microsoft when you're getting some.
Oh, boy. First the kids are screwed up, and now our marriage is. We need therapy.
Homer, no need to take your pants off.
It's not what you think. I just had a big lunch.
Just a series of questions for now.
Then the pants come off.
You know, this all started with our poor kids traumatized by a budget summer camp.
So many perfect marriages ruined by kids.
There's so much more you can do when you don't think about sex. That's why nuns are so successful.
You have to take the kids back to that camp.
Well, it beats hanging out with them.
My kids are a mess. Homer's turned into the man I've always wanted, which I don't really want. And for some reason, we're going back to Camp Krusty. People are wearing terry cloth bathrobes like they're ancient Romans.
Actually, more like Macedonians. All right, come on, deer and pig. It's time for you to mate and then fight to the death.
They redid the whole place as an adult spa.
Uh-oh, did I leave my sash on?
Hey, Bart, now's our chance to break out of here.
But I'm 4 loops away from finishing my pot holder.
Ow!
I'm remembering now. We were trying to escape by canoe.
Come back! Everyone needs to watch the musical!
Oh my God! Charlie didn't come back up!
Hard to concentrate with waves gently lapping on the shore. Everyone down below the belt! Move, move, move! Don't leave anything up here! We will not be back! Play something to put him in the mood!
Poor Charlie.
Charlie, did he have a red vest?
Yes!
Can you kids keep a secret?
I can, but Lisa can't.
I told you that in confidence.
For the 5th time today, I am not a diving platform.
When the canoe flipped, I made my getaway.
But you didn't have your life vest.
I'm a grown-up. I can swim.
So many stars. Ever wonder how many worlds are out there, homie?
Pizza. What pizza? And you. Hey, where's our sailboat?
Oh, you really tied the room together.
Yes, that painting was great.
This a TV show, or did I walk into a 3rd grade shoebox diorama? Did you steal my painting?
Unpleasant surprise when you trick or treat.
Boo! Boo! That should be bad for you! It smells like comic books and loneliness. Oh, certainly not this cool cat. Oh, I did it.
Bart and I haven't always been the best of friends. And we're here to tell you a story of a time when we really didn't get along. But we found our way.
After years of pollution in Springfield Bay, I am honored to announce that these waters are now safe to swim in.
Hey!
Okay, who's up for a day at the beach?
Yoink, yoink, Movado.
A booger? Real mature, guys. Real mature. A booger. A human booger indeed.
Exactly what I'm bad to.
Okay, that's it.
Marge, I'm watching sports.
Really? What's the score?
The boobs are beating the butts.
Geronimo!
Dope hat.
And check out my gnarly new tat.
No fair. I'm bad to the bone.
What do you know? Checkmate, huh?
There's the king, Mrs. King, the light bulb babies, the mini ashtray, slit face, and who could forget Dr. Horse? Another victim of the Budapest Gambit.
How can Dad play chess? He can't even remember the rules to chutes and ladders. I'm bad to the bone.
I see no proof of that.
Oh, yeah? Just look at this.
Bart's getting beat up by a beach turkey.
Everything I say, I want 5 of. 5 Krusty Burgers.
Got it. 5 Krusty Burgers.
No!
My hat! No. Oh. No.
Your lack of remorse just makes me grow.
Ah!
Now you're getting it.
Do you have any more yellow hats?
You mean like the one you looked really good in?
Yes.
No. I like gross things. Again!
I'm full of surprises.
Ooh, name another.
Actually, that's it. Tell me something I don't know about you.
I can't find Sonny anywhere.
Sonny? No! We gotta find Sonny! Wait. The baby's name is Maggie.
Have you seen your sister's hat?
Did she have a hat? I don't remember any hat.
Knight takes queen, Barney, mate in 4. Homer, you're playing like Polagevsky at Mar del Plata. We played every day after my mother left us, and he won every time. And every time he won, he laughed that horrible laugh.
Fit in a piece of carry-on luggage.
Oh, I'd like to see that.
So I found a professor who lived nearby, a master of the game, kind, patient, devoted to me. I went back to play my dad. We had a beautiful thing here, and you had to ruin it by getting good. No more chess in this house.
You know these cartoons are made by exploiting Korean children?
You ruin everything.
Bart? What is it?
Listen, I have to tell you something. I was jealous, and I threw your hat away. I feel kind of guilty.
Then I hope your guilt will grow and grow and grow.
Nerds! Get 'em!
So what? I'm truly sorry, Bart, but it's a wound nothing can heal.
Chess represents your desire to kill your father.
That's ridiculous! Now I'm here to bowl.
I'm in luck. It's still here. My hat!
Homer, before you give up, I Skyped someone who knows a little bit about chess.
When I heard a fellow chess player had a mental problem, I Skyped him once.
I'm not a chess player anymore. From now on, I'm only playing Stratego.
To find your true feelings, you must finish your final chess match with your father.
Okay, I don't have to move the cube. I just have to get the hat out.
Good dirt.
Huh? The soda ate right through the metal. Just glad I'm not a car. And evil thoughts.
I'm here to play chess. We're gonna play chess and not another word.
I play chess?
An excellent move by Homer. He merely needs to take Grandpa's knight.
Oh, he's gonna be a new man. A new man, you hear me?
Can I go? It's like 4 a.m. for me.
Sure, fine.
You resign?